protection against the unjustified threats. So, you can just check here that unjustified threats, you know that unnecessary, somebody is like a we can say that they are using a means to torture. In one sense it is a torture. So, it is like a sometimes what happens that somebody unnecessarily threats the trademark owner without any reason, and if that kind of a threatening is there, then section 142 of a trademark act. So, that particular take care of this. If someone threatens legal action for trademark infringement, this party can file a civil suit seeking a declaration that such threats are unjustified. So, that arrangement is there. So, unnecessary, if somebody is like threatening about that legal action about the infringement, section 142 of a trademark act will be of a great help. So, here there is a possibility of an injunction to stop these threats and a claim damages also for any losses incurred. There is a mental harassment here.